Side Hustle Slim Jim here. We are going to be talking about drop shipping. I'm getting a lot of requests, a lot of people wanting to build a drop shipping store. And so if you've watched my previous videos on this, I have a drop shipping store going. It's called Desk Relief, and we're selling like products to help while you sit at a desk all day, which is what I do. And I've gotten 2 sales, and this is just organic. Actually, I haven't done anything. All I did was put it out there and got 2 sales. So I'm pretty happy with that. Today, we're going to be talking about scaling this store. So organic traffic is great because it's free, but if you want to scale, you have to put money into some ads. And the goal is kind of to turn this into a math equation where, hey, for every $10 I spend on ads, I get a customer who spends $20 and I make a profit. Then once you have that math formula in place, then you can put $10,000 into ads. So, and of course, I want to use AI. I don't have time to do this on my own, but AI makes possible things that I didn't have time to do before. Can get my AI tools going on these things. So we're going to look at 2 AI tools. First is MakeUGC to actually make our ads. I don't have time to sit in front of a camera and make ads. Okay, I'm busy making YouTube videos, building apps, raising children. So we're going to use AI to generate our ads. And the second tool we're going to look at, this page looks terrible. This is the bamboo sleep pillow that we're going to be focusing on today. I think this is a good seller, but this landing page looks awful. So we are going to use crafted.design to make this page better. So it's a page people would actually buy from. So, and of course, this whole store is possible because of Doba. Doba solves the reason I haven't done drop shipping in the past. So you can use it to find suppliers, and then they make it so easy to fulfill orders. I had an order come in on TikTok Shop, and it was 1 click, and it connects TikTok Shop with the supplier. They ship it, and I get paid, and I didn't have to do anything. So when you're starting your store, use Doba, 14 days for $1, so you can try it out. They have this new video hub feature, so you can see what products are doing well. If you're looking to brainstorm, hey, what should I sell on my dropshipping store? You can come see what the influencers are selling. And then you can use Crafted to build the page, and you can use MakeUGC to create the ad. So we have this bamboo memory foam sleep pillow. That's what I'm going to be focused on here today. Again, I found it on Doba, and then I just click list to store. And then automatically, about 30 seconds, and voila, I have a product to sell. I have a dropshipping store in place. Thank you, Doba. So now we're going to create an ad for this. And again, I could get on camera. I actually don't have the bamboo sleep pillow, so that would make it difficult. And that's one thing I love about MakeUGC is you can make ads for products. You don't even have to have the product, and you can make ads for it. But I'm logged in here. I have an account. We're going to go over to Video Agent, and we're going to take an image of this bamboo pillow. We're going to save that. And then I used Gemini, and this is one of my favorite things, is using AI to instruct AI. It's like AIception. For some reason, it just makes me very happy. But Gemini put together this script for this ad about this bamboo pillow. And that's all I'm going to do. Okay, I'm just going to upload an image of the bamboo pillow, put in this script that Gemini put together for me. Want a 15-second ad, 9:16, so that's vertical, not horizontal. This is good, like for TikTok or wherever you're going to put it. And then I'm going to get it going. So, and I let it run for a little while. It analyzed the image. It found, hey, it saw what the image was. It's a rectangular bamboo pillow with a textured surface. So, and then I like when AI does this too. It asks a few questions to kind of specify what I'm looking for. That's better than it just guessing and getting it completely wrong. But it asks, who are the primary users of this product? And I put individuals with neck or back pain. And the main benefits, it provides neck and head support, reduces morning discomfort and stiffness. Again, I'm kind of thinking if I'm selling to myself, it's good to have kind of a persona of who you're selling to. This is for me. So then what country are you targeting? United States. And if you're looking to scale, it asks what language to put this in. I did English, but they support over 50 languages. So you could make this worldwide. There's no reason I need to sell only to the United States. You could create ads in every language, send everywhere. So then it kind of gave me a summary of what they want to do or what the ad that they're going to make. Look through that. For the most part, I just trust AI. Honestly, AI probably knows better what to put in an ad than I do. But I approved the changes, and it took about 2 minutes, and let's check out this ad. I'm a little skeptical. Sometimes AI doesn't do great first try on these ads, but let's see what we came up with.
I'm going to be honest with you. My sleep was a total disaster for months. Then I found this.
Wow.
It's like a cloud that actually supports your head. No more flipping the pillow over at 3 a.m. Click the link below to grab yours.
Honestly, this is the best AI generated ad I've seen. In fact, I would not know this was AI generated if I didn't do it myself. The lip sync, she looks real. The lip sync looks real. She's actually holding the product there. I just can't believe how easy this is these days. Took me 30 seconds and I have an ad that I think I could run. So, and they have over 300. You can choose what actor you want to use to talk about your product.
Hi there, welcome to MakeUGC.
You can take existing ads and just replace your product into it if you find ads that you like. They can do all sorts of stuff. I'm going to shout out to the MakeUGC platform for how quick and easy they made this process. That's pretty incredible. So in link below, you can do what I just did. It's $1 to try it out, do your first ad, but so cheap and easy these days. So we've got our product page. We've got an ad ready to go to drive traffic to this page, but we need to work on this page because it looks awful. Conversion rate is going to be very bad. I wouldn't buy from this page. Again, if we're trying to turn this into a math formula, our ad is going to drive people to the page, but then conversion rate on the page is going to be very important. The number of people who see the page and actually buy the product. If you have 1,000 people view your page and 20 buy, that's a 2% conversion rate. But if you're able to make the page look nicer and get 50 people to buy, your numbers are going to be a lot easier to work with. So again, I could go into Shopify and design the page myself. That's what I would have traditionally had to do. But I'm going to try out this crafted AI builder that will automatically make this a high converting page for this product. So here's what we're starting with. This is the main store page and honestly looks awful. I haven't put any work into it at all. If somebody comes to this page, they're not buying anything. Please don't. I mean, it looks like a scam. And here's what we're starting with for the product page. Again, looks pretty bad. Not as bad as the main store page, but this looks pretty bad. No one's going to buy from this. The price is too small. Why are there standard and large sizes when that's not even an option? I mean, nobody's going to buy. So on Crafted, you can install straight to Shopify. So it's a Shopify app. So then it shows up in your Shopify store. You can go to AI Store Builder, and we're going to paste the link to this particular product. Oh, I found that product. And let's start building. So again, I could have redesigned this page on my own. I am a web designer, so I could do that. But like they say, it would have taken you 14 hours to build this on your own. I don't have time for that. AI, it took 2 clicks, and we'll see what it comes up with. But it's researching the product, so I like that. It's not just doing a design, but it's figuring out, hey, what are the best selling points? So their goal is to make this a high converting product page. All right, so that's done. Let's go ahead and view and edit my store. All right, so this is what they came up with. Obviously looks way, way, way better. Has testimonials on it. I'm going to go ahead and publish it. So this is my new store after running Crafted. Looks way better. Here's the actual product page. So way, way, way better. So shout out to these tools. MakeUGC for creating the ad, Crafted for getting my, product page to where it needs to be. I think I am ready to start running ads. Let me know in the comments. You want me to continue this journey? You want me to start putting some ads on and see if we can get some sales on this bamboo memory foam pillow? But again, create your first ad on MakeUGC for $1. Try Crafted for free. Go try Doba, $1 for 14 days. You basically can have my setup for $2 and start selling. Let me know in the comments who's going on this journey, going to start drop shipping. Appreciate you guys watching. I love this. I enjoy this so much. God bless you guys and have a great rest of your day.